Well, hello, fourth graders. For rounding, it's seeming that the most difficult thing is when you're trying to find the low 10, which is here, the low 10, and the high 10, or the tens that the numbers between, is when we get to a number larger than 100. So 525, like I've been telling some of you, is to, at the start, just kind of ignore that 100 and say, okay, 25, 20. So the low one is going to, is the tens place. The low one is 20, and it's in the 500s. So 520 is the low. And the high, the 10 above 20 is 30. And oops, there's a better 3. And then the 5 or 530. So your 525 is between 520 and 530. Same thing with 472. If we cover the hundreds place and say, okay, that's 770 is the low 10, and that's 470. Cover it up again. The high 10 is 80. That's the 10 above 70. 480. So 472 is between 470, 480. Now this one, 5,368. We can kind of forget about those for now and say, okay, 68, that's easy. The low 10 is 60, and that's 5,360. And the high 10 above 60 in the next 10 in line is 70, 5,370. So if you cover up that extra digit or extra digits, the hundreds, the thousands, the hundreds, it's easier. And we do the same thing with rounding to the nearest hundred, the hundreds between. I need to change my size here a little bit. Oh, let's put this up. There we go. So if we're doing the nearest hundred, we can cover up that thousand. This is a hundreds place. So 329, 300, and 7,000. 300. The high one above 300 is 400. So that's 7,400. Same thing here. We can cover that 1,000 place. Ooh, 400. I can put that 4 right there to make that 400. And 6,000. 400 is low. And the high above 400 is 500. And 6,500 is between. Here we've got a bigger number in the 100,000. So we can cover up that 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 space and go 597. The low 10 is 500. And then 763,500. Then the high 10 above 500, 600. So 763,600. So if you cover up those extra digits and just look at the hundreds, it's much easier. If you cover up the extra digits and just look at the tens, it's easier. Have a great day, and I think that's going to help you figuring out the tens that large number is between, or the hundreds that larger number is between.